Take off your sleeping caps, Legends. This is our final month with a few of our final days as we approach finals week. A lot seems to be ending, but the week has just started, so let's get right into our buzzing announcements. Don't forget to check out our broadcasting team for this week. And as always, a big thank you to the Lillian Osborne Parents Association for all their help with LOHSTV. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's announcements.
It's our last Monday, Legends. I'm Andrew Lee.
And I'm Caitlin Poon.
These are your melancholy morning announcements for Monday, June 8th, 2026. Welcome back to Baking with Andrew. Since this is my last year at LOHS, I thought it would be fitting to make a simple graduation cake. For this recipe, you'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, butter, milk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together, pour into a square greased cake pan, and bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Once it's cool, decorate with frosting and add a licorice tassel. As this is my final year, thank you to everyone who's followed along and remembered Baking with Andrew. It's been fun sharing all of these recipes with you all. We'll have one more episode before the end of the year. See ya.
Oh, that was really sweet, but we still have other announcements to get through, Andrew. From Student Supports, need a little extra help preparing for your diploma exams? A variety of diploma prep sessions are available to help you review key concepts and build confidence before exam day. To see the full list of sessions and sign up, visit the SRC website at lohs.ca/src and click on the Academic Supports tab. Best of luck on your exams, Legends. Are you ready for tonight, Olivia?
You got it, Caitlin. From athletics, tonight is the night Ms Greabeiel waits for all year, the athletics banquet. For all of you who have picked up tickets, the event information is included on them. Doors will open at 4 and the awards part of the program will begin at 4:30. The evening should last until about 8:30 p.m., which includes dinner. The dress code is semi-formal, so please dress nice. We are expecting about 300 student athletes and 60 coaches. It will be an exciting and entertaining evening. We look forward to seeing you there. And on a separate note, should the weather cooperate, our slow pitch team will have a semi-final game today at noon and potentially final at 2:30 this afternoon. Good luck, Legends. Let's splash it over to Crystal.
Right, let's do this, Olivia. From Grad Council, hey grade 12, Senior Splash is happening tomorrow after school from 3:30 to 4:30 on the field. Dress in your best beach-themed outfit and join us for one last seniors celebration with the class of 2026. Before attending, make sure you read the Senior Splash rules and regulations posted in Google Classroom and on the LOHS Instagram page. Please remember that Senior Splash is for grad students only. Grade 10 and 11 students will have a chance to take part in this tradition with their own graduating classes in the future. And outside guests are not permitted. We can't wait to celebrate with you, so see you there, Legends. Hey, Olivia, what's new?
I bet you didn't know this, Crystal. Did you know the word exam comes from the Latin word examinar, which means to weigh carefully or test thoroughly. This reflects the original idea behind exams, which is not just testing memorization, but carefully evaluating a student's knowledge and understanding. Over time, exams have evolved into timed written tests, but the goal remains the same, measuring what students have learned over a period of study. Hey Bernice, unlock the quiz whiz door.
I got you, Olivia. Aloha Mora. Welcome in, Legends. It may be Quiz Biz time, but unfortunately it is also the very last game for this school year already. But don't be too sad, for tomorrow we spin our last pizza party wheels to see which lucky class wins a legendary final pizza party. Friday's answer was B, New York City, and the amazing teacher winner was Miss Thomas. Now put your wizarding hats on for our final magical question. In the Harry Potter film series, what is the most frequently cast verbal spell? Is it A, Expelliarmus, B, Stupefy, C, Wingardium Leviosa, or D, Expecto Patronum? Teachers, talk it over with your class and lock in your answer. Andrew, Caitlin, do you want to study at Hogwarts?
I do want to keep studying at Lillian.
That brings a tear to my eyes. These are your final announcements, Monday announcements. Check the description down below for any codes or links from today's broadcast. Don't forget to check schools on and follow us on Instagram and X at LHS_legends. Remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon.
And as always, check out the Student Solidarity Committee's Instagram post to see their research on current events. Click on #LOHS_SSC to stay up to date. And for LOHSTV, Bernice T, Krista S, Olivia L, I'm Caitlin Poon signing out.
And I'm Andrew Lee signing out. Just remember,
Be legendary.